The 2014 Mazda 6. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front bucket seats, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic temperature control, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.